Daddy, we can see inside of our refrigerator over there.
Ew. Yes, Daddy, that's gross.
Daddy,
Daddy, Daddy, Hi, I'm Emma. I'm Jonah.
And I'm Noah.
And today we're going to be doing the Pancake Art Challenge. And I'm sitting on the countertop for no reason. You guys on Instagram, we asked you to suggest things to make out of pancakes. And you guys did that, so we're gonna make stuff out of pancakes. That's basically what it is. And you guys get to vote down below of who won the pancake challenge and like who made the best art out of pancakes. So yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go first.
First one is a cat.
Okay.
Pretty non-sweet, right?
Oh. That did not work.
All right, put it on the Jonah's turn to make a cat.
Yeah.
Do not touch the
We need to cut the top of these.
Should I put this?
No, then it would make it more. It's already fast enough.
Let me think. Okay. Oh no, I forgot the whiskers. It's fine. Whiskers. Oh my god! It's cute. Looks like a puppy. Mine looks like, yeah, a puppy. It needs whiskers. Could use Noah's method, but I'm not doing that. No. You're right, but I'm not doing that. And cat face.
I'm on the plate.
All right, now it's Emma's turn to make a cat.
Woo! Look at cat. Emma's gonna win this one.
Emma, you've been winning challenges.
I'm a good pancake artist. Yeah. Look at that skilled pancake face. Thing up there. So, oh, whoops. He's a whisker. Ding. Yay! How'd you do it so perfectly? I don't know.
What's the next one?
But it's so cute!
Wait,
Remember the whiskers. Here's Noah's.
The whiskers.
hold on, turn on the light. I don't know if you can hit it.
No, it looks good. Here's Jonah's. Oh, Emma, yours is so cute.
And here's mine.
Here's Emma's.
It looks like hash brown.
Okay. I'm looking at Instagram. Somebody says a toilet.
Toilet?
I know exactly how to make that. Oh snap!
Oh,
You can move it.
Toilet broke.
Pretty good toilet. Pretty good toilet.
Broke
Pretty
the
good.
back off your toilet.
Pretty good.
Oh. Try to
It's not
repair.
a move of a lifetime. Can he bring it back?
Come on, Merry Christmas.
Try. Here's
Just
the
move
two-part
it. It'll
two-part
count. It'll
toilet.
count. Two-part toilet. Totally count. I lost a whisker of my cat. I could be with him.
Who's our next toilet maker?
Me.
Who's not doing?
Spatula. Spatula. Don't make that into a meme if it's filming.
Just want to make me proud. Make yourself a good toilet.
I'm gonna make myself a great toilet. My toilet's gonna be so good.
Okay, make your toilet.
Okay. Let me get a basic idea. Yeah, that's not a good toilet. Can I just chop this off? Is that fair?
No.
Not fair. Please.
No, I'm gonna do it.
You can chop it off. The people on the video that we watched chopped it off.
No, they didn't.
They chopped off the turning edges.
Whoa, that was a good flip.
Oh my gosh!
Oh no!
It's fine. No, this isn't too good. Can I chop this off? Is that fair? No? No? It's just not fair.
Yeah, I think it is.
Okay, good.
No, it really does not look like a toilet.
No, I'll just put it back.
Oh,
that was a horrible idea. You should have cut off the pipe. There's no going back once I cut off the pipes.
All right, put it on the plate. Oh my.
Oh no.
Well, I'm using that toilet.
Well,
You gotta put it on the plate.
Like how you want your toilet to be formed. Here's a 3-part toilet.
okay. I know what I'm doing. How are you so good at toilet art? Pancake art? Magic. Yeah, I've actually had. How did you do that? How did I do this? Oh my gosh, it's amazing! I'm so proud of myself! Yay! Toilets don't stay together. I'm just gonna say that.
Nice toilet.
Yay! So Emma's tactic is the bigger the better. Yeah.
Here's Jonah's.
That's right.
Oh, I see it.
And here's
Oh.
Emma's.
How did you do it? I am an artiste.
So next
I had a whole idea of how to make the bowl and everything.
Smooth toilet. I can
Is- a unicorn.
Yay, unicorns! And there with the leg.
Oh, you stupid
And there
head.
with the head. Oh! Can I just do unicorn head? Yeah, that's what I want. I have a whole plan for it now. I'm pretty sure I know what Jonah's gonna make. Okay, here we go.
Oh, you guys need to move the toilets off of the.
That's kind of like a rabbit. Upside down.
This is the worst.
Or a lion upside down.
This one could be anything. I like it, Jonah.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, Emma.
We'll
yeah.
we'll eat it with the
I am not proud of my unicorn. Great idea of what to do. Oh, there's the spatula that I was gonna use. Daddy, you're gonna have to pick it up.
Your toilet off.
Thank you. Okay, I'm going for it. Looks like a
I made
bear.
a body. It looks like a turtle upside down.
No, it looks like an elephant. It looks like an elephant. Now it looks more even. It looks even more like an elephant.
Oh, you lost your ear.
Okay, so now we.
Oh, I see it. I see it now. Celeste, baby.
Good.
Here's Noah's.
Mine. Now you can tell.
Here's Jonah's.
And there's a nose. Celeste, baby.
You want to add a
And
baby
there's
lizard?
Emma's rhinoceros.
Well, no.
So the next one is a baby.
Baby!
Seriously, how are you
Oh,
supposed to
no.
make
Does Angel count? Does Angel
Nope, just baby.
It looks like a little Santa.
I hope
an
our
elf.
baby looks just
It's
like
a baby
that.
elf.
It is.
A baby elf.
Don't break your baby's legs and arms off.
This is wobbly leg.
Wow.
It's beautiful.
Did your baby lose a leg?
I'm gonna have to
It
get
looks
a-
like he's in like a ball.
If I make the whole body, I'm gonna have to give him an outie belly button.
How many have we done so far?
I don't know, but I'm gonna do it.
Place his leg.
Okay, here I
Who's
go.
on with the baby?
Me, when we're running out of. Okay, then there's one over there. Okay, look at that baby.
Nice.
Look at that baby face. It looks like a potato. Being a little, like
Baby potato cake.
pretty proud of my baby though.
Alright, Emma, make a baby.
I had eyes too. Eh, it's beautiful. Well, blinding. Like his mom. Okay. Wait, it looks like an alien baby.
It does look like an alien baby.
Nice.
Beautiful. Beautiful. What other finger? Something else. Oh, and my baby's making a face
Here's
like
Noah's.
They look creepy. Okay, take them off.
Here's Jonah's.
No, mine looks like some weird lady with big hair. Take off the eyes. I didn't want the eyes.
Okay, Jonah doesn't want the eyes. Here's Jonah's. Here's Emma's.
Oh, wait, I want to do... Wait, can I choose it?
Oh, a butterfly. Do a
Okay,
butterfly.
good.
Oh, that's easy. Easy. Dude, that's easy. Butterflies are like the first thing you learn. Oh my gosh, I know how to do this. They're watching me through my hair. Oh no! The beautiful dragonfly. I'm looking for a second. It really does look good. Actually, no. Do you know that dragonflies breathe through the water? Actually, I don't know that. No, this isn't mine.
No, you sure?
I bet we didn't film the train this year.
Oh.
Looks like we need to spray some more Pam. Oh no! Well, it's gonna burn.
I get the upper hand because now we're going to use our Pam.
This is pretty cool.
Okay.
I lost some wings.
Well, it's fine, I guess. Look at its fat foot. No! It's so sweet. Ah! Didn't mean to hit you. I'm trying to film. It's rolling.
Oh, it wasn't rolling until Jonah did it.
Okay.
Alright, go.
Okay, yeah, flip it. I don't think the bubbles are coming through.
Ah!
It wasn't ready.
Butterflies are too hard to do, Mommy.
It wasn't ready. The heat was down.
Ah, that's what caused it.
Whoa, Emma. Yes. Move. Yeah, my thing was having problems. It wasn't my pancake, it was the oven.
Yeah, it had been turned down.
Aww.
Oh, it's because you took the pan off.
So I can form it back on
It's
the
alright,
plate.
you can form it on your plate. Here's Noah's, Jonah's, and Emma's. The last one is artist choice, so you get to choose what you want to make.
Yes, class. Is it Saturn? Move, 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 get
That's
off.
what I was guessing. Is it Saturn?
Yes.
Cool. Good job. We all guessed it.
Yeah. Oh, it's gonna be so easy. Get on there. Get.
Green.
All right, Jonah's turn.
Okay.
Hold on.
There.
The rest of it's gonna burn.
Well, it doesn't matter if it burns. We're going for looks.
Okay.
Illuminati's confirmed. Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah. Should have done the Illuminati.
I wonder what the other side looks like.
Probably not that good.
Alright, here comes Emma's. Oh, is this camera on?
Yep.
Okay.
All right, let's go. I know exactly what I'm making.
Oh! Maybe that ear is gonna fall off. Flip it from this side that way.
Okay.
There.
A lot of people want
Help
to
her out.
draw hard.
She's got it.
I almost got it. Angel, come on, Angel. Go.
There. It looks like an angel.
Look at that.
Maybe that ear's gonna fall.
Oh no, Angel, no!
It did fall off, yeah.
Angel!
2 pieces.
No, I can't do pieces!
And it took a side of her face with it.
Angel! No! My baby! No, Angel! Let me just try to grab Angel's other side of her face. Angel, come on! Angel!
Do this, Emma.
Oh, you gotta get your close ones.
Alright, so this is Noah's. He did Planet Saturn. This is Jonah's. He did a Zelda Triforce. And this is Emma. She did a sad, sad angel face.
Sad. That's the way
She looks sad.
she's sassy. So don't forget to comment down below who you think won. And please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, follow us on Twitter, and bye YouTube. Peace out YouTube.
See you tomorrow, YouTube. And comment down below what challenge you would like to see us do next.